What's up guys, TRX ZIL here and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I thought we would look at a few charts that you guys suggested. I put a tweet out and I got a bunch of replies, so let's just go through them. It might end up being two parts depending on the length of the video, but I'm sure you'll find out. So first suggestion was at official Titcoin. Good one, guys. Moving swiftly on, Lord Keck suggested one of these, CFI Pink or Invest Fee. Let's just go with CFI and see what happens. We've got a pretty definite floor around 500 Satoshis, but actually there's kind of like a secondary kind of line here that seems to be holding pretty well. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna poke around here for a wee while, especially with the clouds here. There is kind of this like descending resistance here, but this one's just gonna keep bobbing around here until there's some sort of like serious like gust of like buy volume or like buying energy, you know. Obviously if it was to go on a bit of an uptrend, you'd be hoping for somewhere like probably around the 2500 Satoshi range. Thank you, Mr. Keck. Cryptomaniac suggests Flow. Is that one here at all? Yeah, Flow is a pretty old coin actually. Kind of got a pretty comfortable support range here, about the 500, 600 Satoshi range. To be fair, quite a lot of coins right now have kind of got this like descending triangle thing going on. Looking at this, you know, it could kind of go either two ways because, you know, the cloud's been breached here. And it might be looking to kind of hit on this resistance because it looks like it's broken out actually. Obviously, you know, a little hit of that like 1000 Satoshi range could be like what it needs to like spring up back through the cloud, you know, kind of going like this. Yeah, I'm not sure how feasible that is. MACD certainly looks positive. Yeah, you've actually kind of got a similar setup here. This was like pre its big pump when the price was pretty comfortable around the 300, 400 Satoshi range. Yeah, you've kind of got like, well, this is the main area of focus. Is this area here where there was like a retest of the line after a breakout. You can see that kind of like up, down, up slightly higher, and then down slightly lower before a bit of a breakout is kind of like the same pattern that's going on here. Yeah, here we go. So the up, down, up slightly higher, and then down slightly lower, and you know that actually could kind of work out and be pretty interesting there. But obviously time will tell. You know, it could go on to hit like 2600 Satoshis if it goes on a bit of a flyer. But actually, you know, if it doesn't work out, you could expect an entry somewhere around the 700, 800 Satoshi range, and that'd be alright. Alright, next on the list is Kim Jong, Tron. Oh. Tron actually looks like it could be off to do some more things eventually, although you've kind of got this where, you know, the line's been breached. Yeah, actually, you know, this could still be intact, this kind of like overall trend line. The chart would point towards a bit of a rebound here and kind of at least a spring up to like kind of here, but you know, that MACD could just like slip further down and you could end up with something like this to kind of the top of this range here. It's like kind of like here, and that would be kind of like a potential bounce area. Yeah, generally when something gets into the cloud, it either goes one of two ways. It doesn't really sit around too long. But obviously if that green cloud's the start of something, then you could expect the all-time high to be broken. But then again, I know that fundamentally Tron, you know, they're launching the mainnet, and you know that could kind of be the make or break really. Often, you know, when something gets released, you know, it's buy the rumor, sell the news, you know. It could kind of still like end up going down. It really just depends on where the overall altcoin cycle is. Tron looks like one of the more mysterious ones compared to others, but then it's kind of one of the more highly traded ones. BANCA. What's BANCA? Oh, I'm gonna have to go off trading view for this. Alright, BANCA. Oh, it actually has alright charts on here, I didn't know that. Oh, they got trading view integrated on it, okay. Quite a high volume coin, 40 million. I've never actually heard of this one before. You know, instantly you kind of got like this kind of like trend line by the looks of things. You kind of got support there. You've also got support kind of here. Either it's gonna kind of pivot around here, or it's kind of gonna go like that, just to shake everyone out. That trend line, you know, had a brief test here, but I think it needs a bit more of a solid test, especially after going basically like what, 12x or something in like the last 2 months, last month. Yeah, I could definitely see it kind of going down 350 maybe if you're lucky with some stink bids. That's kind of like the bottom of the cloud, and you know, generally you kind of be hoping for something to be quite safe there. It is quite a flat cloud, so if I was looking to enter the market, I'd be getting in there. MACD isn't particularly positive either. It is looking like it's kind of like turning around, but I think they do need to kind of go into like a bit of a negative trend for a little bit. But you know, obviously if you know, if altcoins are back, you know, this could kind of like spring into something a lot quicker. But I'd say I can't see much upside in the month of June. Toshi Kitemoto suggested XSN, that's Stake Cryptopia coin. You got alright-ish charts on here, they're really not phenomenal though. There's really not much way to like easily do this. Yeah, I honestly have no idea. It looks like there's potentially a bit of a breakout here, or that's kind of like a triangle. I don't know, man. Judging by the like growth and stuff, it's probably a down from here. I'd probably feel comfortable buying around 5,000 satoshis if you're lucky. The asset man suggested Remy Hydex. Have they got good charts? I'm sure we're gonna find out. How am I gonna chart this? Yeah. Why not zoom out? I don't know. Kind of got zoom out. Don't know why. You know, there's not much I can do here, man. So, but like, I don't understand why a lot of charts are so like, why they're not like a big focus of some exchanges. You know, like Cryptopia ones are garbage. This is like second rate, to be honest. I've liked recently seeing a bunch of exchanges like integrate TradingView into it. You know, even if TradingView itself doesn't host their charts, you know, it's still kind of handy. Yeah, next one. Sorry, man. Tube. What's that? Trade Ogre. Wow. Oh no, that's a terrible. How can I do anything with that? Well, it looks like support at 1550 sats. You need to send me better places with better charts, man. I can't. There's no way I can like provide any sort of insight on a straight line. You know what I mean? ZIL. How has this got like a 903? Oh no, that's a breakdown. Yeah. Yeah, like straight away, you know, that's gonna like do this, and then it's gonna give people hope it's like gonna do something through the cloud, and it'll be like down to here where the support, like the last like resistance was before this kind of breakout. But then actually, to be fair, the MACD looks quite good, but you know, the Bollinger Bands aren't providing much upside at all, which, you know, you kind of need in a position like that. Either you're gonna have a buy opportunity at like 13,000 satoshis, or it's gonna be going back down to like 1100. Yeah, honestly, unless you're holding, I'd either consider selling a portion now if I was holding, or if I was looking to get in, I'd wait, because honestly, there's too many ways that sort of thing could go. It's also quite a new coin, so like you're gonna have people who are wanting to get money out of it. Duke suggests DCR. Decred, I like Decred. You know, I have to say that the Decred chart looks good, by the way. You know, we're kind of like, we've had that like push up here, and now we're like re-challenging it. You know, I think some sort of breakout will be happening at some point. You also kind of got like this pushing up, like, which is a positive sign. Like that rarely ever results in like a downtrend or whatever. Yeah, I could see kind of like a few challenges of like the 1.7 millisats. I could see a few challenges of like 0.017 like that, and then finally like going for it, which, you know, obviously, yeah, I wouldn't say it's like a bad time to buy right now if you're wanting to hold for the long term. If you've already bought, if you've been riding in it since like a crazy like low period, like if you got in like here or whatever, then you're definitely like set for something like good, so I wouldn't sell yet. Thanks very much for watching part 1. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it and all that stuff. Part 2 will be up probably next week. It's just there was a lot to edit because I was sat here for like probably about an hour like doing all the charts and stuff, so there's a lot of like footage to work through. I'll probably do this again at some point, so keep an eye out for like me putting a tweet out saying if you want a coin to be charted, then reply to this. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.